Hey yo, what's up guys, I'm King, welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you how to do the feet clap. Okay, let's go. Now first of all, you wanna imagine that my arms is the legs. Okay, and a lot of people thinking they somehow have to jump both of the leg up here and then do the feet clap in the mid-air. But no, this is how you do it. From here, you wanna put one leg up here and you're gonna stand on the other leg, right? Now you wanna jump that stand leg and then do the clap. Jump, clap, and go back. Clap, then go back. Remember to go back, you have to stand one leg up here and then you're gonna go clap. You see it, right? Once again, jump, 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 jump. Okay, same thing with the other side. You go clap, clap. To make it look more fancy, you wanna put some motion on it. Now check this out. On the right side, you wanna step your left leg cross with your right leg, then kick your right leg up, then clap. Same thing with the other side. Step your right leg cross with your left leg, go, step, kick, clap. You got it right? On the right side, you go step, kick, clap. Left side, step, kick, clap. And that's it. Here's some variation. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe, turn notifications on. I will see you next time. Peace.